Hello, everyone. Welcome back to StoryStep English. I am Bas.
And I am Jenny. Hello, guys. It is great to see you again.
Jenny, today is a very special episode
Why is it special, Bas?
because today we answer the number one question.
The number one question. What is it?
You know, I talk to many friends and I see many people on the internet. Everyone has the same problem.
Let me guess. They want to learn English, but they are confused?
Exactly. They always ask me, Bas, I'm a beginner. Where do I start? Should I watch movies? Should I play games? Should I find a foreigner girlfriend?
A foreigner girlfriend is a good idea. But seriously, it is overwhelming. There is too much information out there.
Yes, it is like being in a big jungle without a map.
So, what do most people do when they are lost? Do they buy a big grammar book or try to memorize the dictionary?
Stop. Please don't do that.
Why not? That is the traditional way. That is how we learned in school.
Because I did that 5 years ago, and it was a total disaster. It was not learning. It was a nightmare.
A nightmare? That sounds terrible. Tell us what happened. So, tell us about the nightmare. What did you do?
Well, I went to the bookstore. I looked for the biggest, thickest grammar book I could find
Oh dear, why the big one?
because I thought big book means big knowledge. It was heavy, like a brick.
It sounds like a weapon, not a book.
Yes, I brought it home. I was ready to fight. I opened chapter 1, subject plus verb plus object. Easy. But then, chapter 5, past perfect continuous tense.
Oh no, the grammar monster.
Exactly. Had been doing, have been done. My brain started to hurt. It felt like brain explosion.
Did you memorize it?
I tried. I sat there for 2 hours. I had been, she has been, and then a miracle happened.
You understood it?
No, I fell asleep.
So the book became a pillow?
Yes, the best pillow in the world. Very expensive pillow. And it wasn't just grammar. I tried to memorize vocabulary lists, too. 50 words a day. Abnormal, abandon, ability.
That is boring. It is like eating plain rice with no curry.
Exactly. After 3 days, I threw the book away. I looked in the mirror and said to Bas, "Give up. You are too stupid for English."
Oh, Bas, that is sad. But you were not stupid.
No, I just used the wrong tool. I was trying to run a marathon before I could walk.
So, did you quit forever, or did you find a secret door?
I almost quit, but then I saw something amazing.
What did you see? A magic book?
No, I saw my nephew. He was only 2 years old.
A baby? What can a baby teach you?
A lot. Think about it, Jenny. He speaks Thai perfectly. He talks all day, blah, blah, blah. But can he read?
No, he's too small.
Does he study grammar rules? Does he know subject plus verb?
Of course not. He doesn't even go to school yet.
Exactly. So I asked myself, how did he learn?
Good question. How?
He just listens. He listens to his mom. He listens to cartoons. He absorbs the sound like a sponge.
So, input comes first, output comes later.
Yes, so I decided to become a baby again. I threw away the heavy grammar book, bye-bye, and I turned on the TV.
What did you watch? CNN News?
No, that is too hard. I watched Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig? The pink pig cartoon?
Yes, don't laugh. It is the best teacher. The stories are simple. The pictures help you understand. For the first time, I did not translate in my head. I just watched, laughed, and enjoyed the story.
That sounds fun, not stressful.
It was fun, and slowly the words just came into my brain naturally.
Like magic.
No magic, just nature.
That makes so much sense. Input comes before output. Babies listen for 2 years before they speak.
Yes, so listeners, here is my advice for you. If you are a beginner, please throw away your stress.
Don't worry about grammar rules yet.
No, forget the rules. Focus on the flow. Just find something you love.
Anything, even video games?
Yes, anything. If you love cooking, watch MasterChef in English. Look at the food. Listen to the words chop, boil, fry. If you love football, watch the Premier League commentary. Listen to goal, offside, penalty.
Ah, I see. Make English part of your happiness, not your homework.
Exactly. When you enjoy it, your brain opens up. You stop translating. You start feeling.
So, no more textbooks?
Use textbooks later, but start with fun. Start with listening. That is the baby method.
I love it. Start easy, start fun.
So tell us in the comments, what do you love to watch? Cooking, football, or cartoons?
We want to know.
Remember, learn with your heart, not just your brain. Keep stepping up. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Keep stepping up. See you next time. Bye-bye.